This project is life-changing because they're able to push one button and take the elevator up instead of hiking up 16 steps daily.
We first started thinking about this project when my wife had a significant back injury that really limited her mobility. She wasn't able to go up and down the stairs and get around very well. And we knew that if we wanted to age in place in this house, which we both really wanted to do, we needed to look at other solutions such as an elevator. When we first started talking to Irons Brothers about that, we were very pleased to find out that they were specialists in aging in place. So right away we thought we were headed in the right direction.
First meeting, Miss Rigsby actually came in a wheelchair. It's great to see that fortunately surgery worked. She's out of the wheelchair now, but the elevator actually helped her long-term recovery there. As far as getting the process, it was about 8 months once they decided on the contractor for us to go through design, architecture, engineering, and permitting, and about another 7.5 months in design, 7.5 months in construction.
This elevator is a complement to the existing house. In fact, the millwork and the structure all complement as though it was always here and meant to be. No one can tell that an elevator was added on to their custom home that was built in 2016. It looks as though it was always there.
So I would recommend homeowners invest in an elevator when they have multiple levels in their house, and that's their forever home. Stair lifts are usually temporary solutions, not long-term solutions. Daily activities such as laundry, taking kids up and down, taking pets up and down, or if you have an injury, an elevator is going to make your life so much easier.
We were very pleased with working with Irons Brothers. They were very detail-oriented. Probably more than anything else, they listened to us. When we had concerns, when we had questions, from the first interview through the design process, through the construction, they always listened very well. The number one priority for our project was quality above all else. And we felt like Irons Brothers was most likely to deliver that for us, and it turned out to be correct.